Yeah guys, morning. Today I'm gonna cook some curry chicken and ton cornmeal. You see me I cut up some carrots. I'm gonna put Irish and pumpkin in my curry chicken. See me onion them. See me chicken over here so guys I go and thaw out. So I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go and cut up my pumpkin and my Irish. Me cut up the carrot already so I'm going to deal with the ground season. Guys, just stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen. I'll be a badness today. Yeah guys, so see my ground season, my pepper, onion, carrot, pumpkin. You don't know badness go already, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut up my season them. My chicken. I don't cut up my season, so I cut up my chicken now. I'm going to see what I go on. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so see badness what I go on over here, so I go put some curry pan you know and some chicken season and make it go and soak. You understand what I did? I'm going to start out my coconut and come back and make you see what I go on. So I'm going to do, I go season it up now and make it go and soak guys. So stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen. I'll be a badness. Yeah guys, so that's what I go on over here for now. So I'm going to make it go and soak. I'm going to start out my coconut. I'm going to get a coconut powder because if you grate a coconut now, it'll go give me a set. I don't really a setback. I cut up my finger and my finger them cut up too much. One day I have grate too much coconut. You understand what I did? Although I have a blender, but I need a transformer for the blender. You understand what I did? So I'm going to do, I'm going to get a transformer. That means that when I get my coconut, then I can blend my coconut. I have to grate. You understand what I did? So guys, I make my chicken go on soak and then come back, put on here, I'm going to see what I go on. Yeah, curry chicken and ton cornmeal. Guys, I want to go sell off to them. I soon come back. Yeah, peeps, so I make my chicken go and soak. Yeah, I go cover them up. Chicken go and soak. So you don't know about badness. So what I go do now, I go line up my coconut powder. I have to go shop and come back. So I have to go get a coconut powder and come back. So guys, stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen. I'll be a badness. Yeah guys, so see me get the coconut powder. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to light up the stove, put on the pot. Yeah guys, so put on the pot for the cornmeal. What I'm going to do now, rinse out the pot for the chicken and put it on also. Yeah guys, so light up the stove for the chicken pot now. So I light up and put it on. Yeah, so I make the chicken in the water for the cornmeal go and boil. When they go and boil, I put in the coconut powder. And I couldn't see what go on in the kitchen guys. So stay tuned and watch what go on in the kitchen. My ton cornmeal and my curry chicken. You understand how they do Jamaican style, ton cornmeal and curry chicken. So guys, I soon come back. I'll be a badness in the kitchen today. Guys, my face look white, not true. Then I put on some cream on my face because my face I get black. So I burn up my skin. You understand how they do? So I put some cream on it. Guys, stay tuned. I soon come back. I'll be a badness today. Yeah guys, so what I go do, I go put some oil in my pot. You go on hot. Yeah, guys, the oil back up big, don't watch nothing. A big oil back up. Yeah. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I already season the chicken. So I'm not gonna put no curry in the oil this morning. You understand what I did? I already seasoned the chicken already, guys. See? Yeah, this is my chicken and my carrot and my Irish, and you understand what I did? Ground season everything in one. So this season up and did around half an hour now guys, so I know be a badness in the kitchen. You understand what I did? Yeah. Smell good too. Soon from now I can put in my coconut powder, make the water go on add some more. So guys, watch what go on in the kitchen today. Be a badness. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna put in my chicken. Yeah, I'm gonna put in my chicken. And remember guys, in my curry chicken I have carrot, Irish and pumpkin. I will find the ground cheese. Yeah. Guys, I want to go back to them in our life to tell you. So guys, now make the chicken brown. I don't know everything set up. Guys, I'll be about this in my kitchen, so remember me tell you curry chicken and cornmeal. Yeah. When the water starts to boil, guys, I put in the coconut powder. So guys, stay tuned and watch what I'm going in Nicholas' kitchen today. Be about this, you don't know everything set up. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so the chicken, I'm going to put some water on the chicken now. I don't know about this though. What I'm going to do now guys, I'm going to put in the coconut powder. So guys, I'm going to put in the coconut powder. Guys, I don't put any scallion and thyme in my cornmeal. So you can season it if you want. I just put coconut powder and little salt. You can put scallion and thyme if you want in your turn cornmeal. So I make it's up there go and cook the coconut powder go and boil. Yeah, my chicken I cook up now. See my chicken I go and be about this I go in my kitchen guys. Yeah, curry chicken and ton cornmeal. Guys, we soon come back. Stay tuned and watch what I want. And remember, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click that notification bell as I video drop to get it. Soon come back, guys. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna put in the ground season now. Yeah guys, be about this. Yeah guys, so stay tuned and watch what I'm going in our kitchen. Yeah guys, so I will put in the cornmeal now, the pot to boil. Some cornmeal here. So guys, the one I have about me now, like to tell you. Guys, stay tuned for the video. I can go and cook so that, yeah, guys will soon come back. Just stay tuned for the finishing look. The ton cornmeal and curry chicken. Yeah guys, will soon come back. A beer badness. You don't know anything set up. Yeah guys, so see what I go on in the chicken pot you know. Yeah, you only want to go down. Smell good, me now like to tell you. I go put a little more chicken season. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look on my curry chicken and my ton cornmeal. Yeah guys, be about this. So look what I want on the cornmeal pot you know. So what I'm guys cook. Yeah. I'm making one smoke and take him off. Yeah guys, so when it's smoke, just lock off the stove and I go to the finishing look. I'm a turn cornmeal and curry chicken. Yeah guys, so stay tuned for the finishing look. I'm a turn cornmeal and curry chicken. I'll soon come back. Yeah guys, look what I got in a chicken pot. Yeah, be about this. Don't know things set up. Guys, look what I got. See my gravy. Pretty. Look what I want in the turn cornmeal. Guys, you see that? Guys, I'm making soup for now. Making soup will come on, then we take him out. Don't worry about this. We'll give him around for 3 more minutes. You understand me, lad? So stay tuned for the finishing look. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so we're not going to go cook already, you understand, lad? So the chicken now, chicken needs to go down a little. You understand, lad? So I'm making go and go down so much. I'm looking so hard. Stay tuned. Soon come the next 2 minutes. Don't worry about it. Yeah guys, so now we're doing a lot of food. Yeah guys, so yes, and I will show some food I'm going to show out. So that guys, yeah, BSP. Chicken now.